The reason your child refuses to read, even though you know they can, is not necessarily because they are being stubborn, but could be because they lack reading stamina. I'm Teacher Dan, creator of Spell Blaster, and here is what we need to do. We have to temporarily drop the difficulty level of their books. Knowing how to sound out a word is a skill, but having the energy to do it over and over again for a whole sentence or a whole page takes a considerable amount of stamina. Imagine someone asks you to solve a difficult math problem in your head, like multiplying 14 times 7. You can probably do it, but it takes a lot of focus. Now imagine they asked you to solve 50 of those problems in a row without a break. Your brain would begin to melt, and the next time someone asked you to do math, you would refuse to even start. That anticipation is exactly what is happening in your child's brain. They remember how exhausting reading felt yesterday, so their defense mechanism is to just refuse to start today. So when your child refuses to read, take whatever book you are currently working on and put it away. Go back to books they read easily a few months ago. In teaching, we call this moving from their instructional level down to their independent level. Let them read things that are easy for them for a few days. This rebuilds their confidence and lets them practice the mechanics of reading without completely draining their brain power. Once they feel successful again, the resistance usually fades and their stamina naturally starts to grow. But what if you want to build their reading stamina without relying on books at all? What if you want them to practice reading for longer periods without hitting that wall of exhaustion? Well, this is exactly why I created Spell Blaster. It is an action-packed arcade game that gives kids reading practice in short, fast-paced bursts. Because they are focusing on shooting aliens and blasting letters, they don't even realize how much reading they are actually doing. The game format keeps their energy high and naturally builds their reading stamina without it ever feeling like overwhelming work. So if your child is refusing to read, drop down to an easier level to rebuild their confidence. And if you want a flashy, colorful tool that builds reading stamina in the form of an awesome video game, you can check out Spell Blaster at the link below.